hitting the road again. The factory says that our windows are ready, so we're driving all the way to Alabama. We're gonna make some interesting stops along the way, make it a road trip. Pick up our windows, and put them in. Come along for the ride. Something different today, we're going canoeing. We're going on the South Edisto River. We are currently near Aiken, South Carolina, which is near Augusta, Georgia. And the Edisto River is about an hour north of here. And we're meeting some other friends. Laura's coming here and other friends from there. We're gonna make a day of it. The Union must and shall persevere. Apothecary.
How did I get into this? Yeah. So I'm a pre-medical student, but also an art history major at Tulane. So I've had a very strong interest in medical history for a long time. And so, yeah, I have an interest. I actually came here with one of my classes, ancient medicine at Tulane. They brought us here for one of our field trips. And I'm graduating.
We are in the town of Erath, Louisiana, where we are going to be learning a little bit about the French Acadian culture. When the Acadians came down and were exported from what was French Canada in the Maritimes down to Louisiana, a lot of their heritage landed here. And we're going to go learn a little bit about their heritage.
All right. Oh, yeah. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Well, fine.
Absolutely.
I'm Anna, long ago.
Hi.
Gary.
Hi, and I'm Bonnie.
Hi, Bonnie. How you doing?
Where are y'all from?
We're from New Hampshire, and
Great. And in this room, along the wall, you'll find people who lived here who were involved in one way or another in its history. The story in here is of our ancestors that were exiled from Nova Scotia in 1760s, and the story of how they survived, the story of the exile. We had two brothers, Joseph Beausoleil and Alexander Broussard, who actually were part of the militia that tried to defeat the English when they settled over there. The story, actually, I don't know how much y'all know about the Acadian exile and what attracted them here. At that point, we were looking for settlers, for cattlemen, also for the Spanish. We're looking for people who were Catholic and because they had learned how to control the marsh waters with dikes, this was a perfect spot for them to come. So they were able to take the marsh areas here, install the dikes and dewater it. And so that's why, that's an important part of why they came here.
I don't know much about cotton. So it naturally comes brown sometimes?
The brown cotton back here. If you go look on the side over here, that's actually brown cotton is common to Louisiana. And one of the ladies that came here she's in Texas now, but she took the learning of the weaving from this area, and they're increasing the number of weavers. And one of the things they wanted was brown cotton, and you cannot cross the state lines with brown cotton.
Really?
And I think it's probably for boll weevil eradication.
Sure.
But I didn't know that. She told me that, so I was learning something there.
My brother David, which we call him Bubba, he was the very first of the Healer brothers that brought music into our family. Yes, that's where it went from there. Well, that just happened in a town.
Yeah.
Where people have always enjoyed good music. You always have had people strive to play good music here.
Highway 64, and across the street from our house was a place where
We have made it to Wynn Enterprises, where they have made our new windows for the Dodger, plus replacement windows for the salon. Let's go in and see what they look like. Yay!
Hello.
We got Corey on his way to come help you with them windows.
Excellent. I think his paperwork's on Corey's desk.